Hello friends, today we will see solution of exercise 10.2. Question 1 is that compute the magnitude of vectors. In that first question is there a bar equals to I caret plus j caret plus k caret. So magnitude a bar equals to under root component vectors square addition. So yeah, 1, 1, 1 are the component vectors. So 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, which is 1, 1, 1. So 1 plus 1 is equals to root 3. So magnitude of a bar equals to root 3. Now question 2 in the same question is there 2I caret minus 7j caret minus 3k caret. So its b bar magnitude will be 2 square plus minus 7 square plus minus 3 square. So 2 square 4, 7 square 49 and 3 square 9. So 49 and 9 58 plus 4 under root 62 is the magnitude. Third question is there c bar equals to 1 by root 3 I caret plus 1 by root 3 j caret minus 1 by root 3 k caret, and so all the three component vector square will be 1 by 3 1 by 3 1 by 3. So we add them 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. It is root 3 by 3, which is 1. Question 2, we have write the different vectors having same magnitude. So I caret and plus k caret and j caret plus k caret, both the magnitude we will calculate then root 2, but they are in the different vectors. Same way cos alpha I caret plus sin alpha j caret and sin alpha I caret plus cos alpha j caret has the magnitude 1 1, but they are. Question 3, we have write two different vectors having same direction. So we have I caret plus j caret plus k caret and 3I caret plus 3j caret plus 3k carets are the different vectors, but their direction will be same. So question 2 and question 3 like this way answers. There are many possible examples are there. We can write. Question 4, we have find the values of x and y if 2I caret plus 3j caret and xi caret plus yj caret are equal. So we know that if two vectors are equal, if their component vectors are equal, and so we can write that x equals to 2 and y equals to 3. Question 5, we have find the scalar and vector component of the vector with initial point 2 1 and terminal point minus 5 7. So if a point we take as 2 1 and b point we take as minus 5 7, then AB vector will be given by B bar minus A bar is a position vector, and so minus 5 7 minus 2 1. So we minus it, then minus 5 minus 2 minus 7 and 7 minus 1 6. So components are minus 7 6 and vector is minus 7i plus 6j. Question 6, we have find the sum of the vectors I caret minus 2j caret plus k caret. B bar equals to 2I caret minus 2I caret plus 4j caret plus 5k caret, and C bar k equals to I caret minus 6j caret minus 7k caret. And so A bar plus B bar plus C bar equals to I caret minus 2j caret plus k caret plus minus 2I caret plus 4j caret plus 5k caret plus I caret minus 6j caret minus 7k caret. So here we add each directional vector component, then 1 minus 2 plus 1 my I caret minus 2 plus 4 minus 6 j caret and 1 plus 5 minus 7 k caret. So here 1 plus 1 2 minus 2 0 I minus 2 minus 6 minus 8 plus 4 minus 4 I and 1 plus 5 minus 6 minus 7 minus k caret, and so final vector is minus 4j caret minus k caret. Question 7, we have find unit vector of the vector A bar equals to I caret plus j caret plus 2k caret. So we know that unit vector of A bar equals to 1 by magnitude A bar into A bar. So magnitude A bar we find out, then under root 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. So under root 1 plus 4. So it is 6, and so the unit vector will be 1 by root 6 I caret plus j caret plus 2k caret. So we can write 1 by root 6 I caret plus 1 by root 6 j caret plus 2 by root 6 k caret. Question 8 we have find the unit vector of PQ where P and Q are the point 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. So PQ we can find by Q bar minus P bar. So 4, 5, 6 minus 1, 2, 3. So its minus will be 3, 3, 3. And so its magnitude we find out. Then under root 3 square plus 3 square plus 3 square 9. So 9 plus 9 plus 9. Under root 3 into 9. So its magnitude is 3 root 3. And so unit vector will be 1 by magnitude 3 root 3, 3, 3, 3, and so it will be 1 by root 3 I caret plus 1 by root 3 j caret plus 1 by root 3 k caret. Question 9 we have for given vectors a bar equals to 2i caret minus j caret plus 2k caret and b bar equals to minus I caret plus j caret minus k caret. Find the unit vector in the direction of a bar plus b bar. So a bar plus b bar we find out, then 2i caret minus j caret plus 2k caret plus minus I caret plus j caret minus k caret. So 2i minus I minus j plus j 0 plus 2k caret. Now to find out unit vector we find out magnitude of a bar plus b bar, then under root 1 square plus 1 square which is 1 plus 1 root 2, and so unit vector in the direction of a bar plus b bar will be given by 1 by magnitude a bar plus b bar into a bar plus b bar. So 1 by root 2 I caret plus 0 j caret plus k caret. So unit vector in the direction of a bar plus b bar will be 1 by root 2 I caret plus 1 by root 2 k caret. Now question 10 we have find a vector in the direction of vector 5i caret minus j plus 2k caret which has magnitude 8 unit, and so a bar equals to 5i caret minus j caret plus 2k caret, then vector in the direction of a bar with magnitude 8 unit is 8 into ak unit vector of a bar. So 8 into 1 by magnitude a bar into a bar. So magnitude of a bar we calculate, and then under root 5 square plus minus 1 square plus 2 square into 5i caret minus j caret plus 2k caret. So 8 into 1 by 25 plus 1 plus 4 under root 5i caret minus j caret plus 2k caret. So this addition is the 30, and so 8 5s are 40 by root 30 I caret. 8 1s are 8 minus 8 by root 30 j caret a plus 8 2s are 16 by root 30 k caret is required vector. Question 11 is there, so that 2i caret minus 3j caret plus 4k caret and 4i caret plus 6j caret minus 8k caret are collinear. So a bar is given 2i caret minus 3j caret plus 4k caret, and b bar is given minus 4i caret plus 6j caret minus 8k caret. So we take the a1 by a2 ratio, then 2 by minus 1 minus 1 by 2. a2 by b2 ratio minus 3 by 6 minus 1 by 2, and a3 by b3 ratio 4 by minus 8 minus 1 by 2. So all the three ratios are minus 1 by 2, and so we can say that given two vectors are collinear. Question 12 we have find the direction cosines of the vector I caret plus 2j caret plus 3k caret. So we know that for the vector r bar equals to xi caret plus yj caret plus zk caret has the direction cosines L equals to x upon magnitude r, m equals to y upon magnitude r, n equals to z upon magnitude r. So magnitude r we take out, then under root 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square for the given vector, and so it is 1 plus 4 plus 9, so root 14, and so L value will be x upon 1 upon root 14, m value 2 upon root 14, and n value will be 3 upon root 14. Question 13 we have find the direction cosines of vector joining a 1 to minus 3 and b minus 1 minus 2 1 from a to b. So position vector of ab we will get by b bar minus a bar. So minus 1 minus 2 1 minus 1 to minus 3, and so its position will be -2, -4, 4. Now to find out direction cosines, we find out magnitude. Then magnitude will be under root -2 square plus -4 square plus 4 square. So 4 plus 16 plus 16, which will be root 36, it's 6. And so L is equals to -2 by 6, M is equals to -4 by 6, N is equals to 4 by 6. So we simplify. Then direction cosines will be L -1 by 3, M -2 by 3, and N will be 2 by 3. 14th question, we have shown that the vector I caret, j caret plus k caret is equally inclined to the axis. So a bar equals to I caret plus j caret plus k caret. Then magnitude of a bar will be under root 1 plus 1 plus 1 root 3. So direction cosines we find out. Then L equals to cos alpha 1 by root 3, M equals to cos beta 1 by root 3, N equals to cos gamma equals to 1 by root 3, where alpha, beta, gamma is angle inclined with the axis. So here cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma values are equal. So we can see that alpha equals to beta equals to gamma. And so I caret plus j caret plus k caret is equally inclined to the axis. 15th question is there. Find position vector of point R which divides P bar and Q bar joining line segment, where P bar is equals to I caret plus 2j caret minus k caret and Q bar equals to minus I caret plus j caret plus k caret in the ratio 2:1 in the internally and externally case. So if the point divides in the internally, we have formula R bar equals to MB bar plus NE bar by M plus N. So here it will be M is the 2, so 2 into minus I caret plus j caret plus k caret plus 1 into I caret plus 2j caret minus k caret. So minus 1 into minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. 2 ones are 2 plus 2 for j caret and 2 ones are 2 minus 1, so 1 caret, and so I caret plus 4 j caret plus 1 k caret by 3, and so finally required vector -1 by 3 I caret plus 4 by 3 j caret plus 1 by 3 I k caret. If the point divide externally, then formula we have MB bar minus NA bar by M minus N. So it will be 2 into minus I caret plus j caret plus k caret minus I caret plus 2j caret minus k caret, and so M minus N will be 2 minus 1. And so 2 minus 1 will be 1, and here minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, 2 minus 2 0, and 2 minus minus plus 1 3, and so final required vector minus 3 I caret plus 3 k caret. Question 16, we have find the position vector of the midpoint vector of p 2 3 4 and 4 1 minus 2. So midpoint vector, we know that p bar plus q bar by 2. So 2 3 4 plus 4 1 minus 2 by 2. So 2 plus 4 6, 3 plus 1 4, 4 minus 2 2, 6 4 2 by 2 means 3 2 1. Question 17, we have a bar equals to 3i minus 4j minus 4k caret, p bar equals to 2i minus j plus k caret, and c bar equals to I bar caret minus 3j minus 5k caret are 3 points, then forms the right angle. So we find out AB's position vector, then 2 minus 3 b bar minus a bar. So 2 minus 3 minus I caret minus j plus 4 plus 3j caret k minus plus 4 5k caret, and so AB magnitude is root 35. Now AC we find out position vector, then 1 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 plus 4 plus j minus 5 plus 4 minus k caret, and so its magnitude will be AC equals to under root 2 square 4 plus 1 plus 1 root 6, and BC vector we find out, then 1 minus 2 minus 1 caret minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 caret j caret and minus 5 minus 1 minus 6 k caret. So its magnitude we find out 1 plus 4 plus 36 root 41. Now here we can see that here AB square plus AC square we take, then 35 plus 6 equals to 41, which is root BC square, and so we can say that by converge of Pythagoras theorem these 3 points forms a right angle triangle.